Hey guys, Farmer Kim here. Today we're going to talk about seeds. And did you know that a seed has a coat? I have one on today, but I don't really need one because it's May in Texas. But seeds do. Today you're going to find out why a seed has a coat. You can try this at home to find the seed coat of a seed. I just had some dry beans, some Great Northern beans, and these are some lima beans. You could do it with black beans or kidney beans if you had dried ones. I soaked the beans for 24 hours in cold water. And so very carefully, you can take one of the seeds out. Here's a lima bean. And you can notice, oops, there's a Great Northern bean inside. There's a lima bean. You notice it's split open. Some of them will split and some won't. You can very carefully peel off the seed coat. Now the seed coat, its job is to protect all the information inside the seed. The seed's basically the offspring of the plant that it came from, and this is a lima bean. But there's the coat, and that's what protects the seed and all the information inside the seed to make it grow. Now, if you open up the two parts, these parts are used for food storage. This is what the storage of the plant is. And that's what you have inside. Now, right here, you can see this little thing right there, that little bulge right there. That actually is the embryo of the seed. And if it would wait a couple more days, it may have grown a little better. Let's try another one. Let's see what's inside this one. Let's check this guy. There's the seed coat. I'm not seeing any embryos yet, but that's where your embryo would start. Let's see if we can open it up. Oh, here we go. Do you see that right there? That's a little bit more defined. See that little thing right there? That actually is the embryo of the seed. The part that goes down creates a root, and then there's a little bit right there. Do you see that little, it's kind of V-shaped? That's going to be your stem. So that's the very beginning of your seed, your plant. So here's your parts: the seed coat, the endosperm, which is where the food storage is for the plant. There's the embryo, that's going to become the root, and that's going to become the shoot. And all of that is housed. It's just amazing. Seeds are just amazing that has all the information to grow a lima bean plant. So if you just get a cup or a pot, I had an old plant transplant cup, put some soil in it. You can take your beans. I'm going to do a lima bean, and you do a pretty good size hole because you want it to be buried all the way underground. Cover it up. You can start one there, and then I think I'll start a couple Great Northerns, popping it in, covering it up, pop it in, cover it up. You don't want, remember, seeds need space to grow, so you want it to have some space. So I'll keep that watered, and then we'll see what happens. You can also take the seeds and you can put them straight out into your garden right now. Bean seeds are great because you can just pop them in and plant them. You don't really have to do the soaking part, but since I've already soaked plenty of them, I can start some to go too. Good luck. So here's an illustration of a dicot embryo. It's similar to our beans. You see the leaf, the stem, the root, the cotyledon and the food supply, the seed coat, the endosperm, which holds the food. All that is the embryo part is inside the seed coat. So that's pretty cool. There's a dicot. This is called a monocot embryo seed, and it's a corn seed. There's other monocots too, and I'll show you the difference between those. But you see a lot of the similarities with the dicot embryo. Okay, friends, here's a little comparison of monocots and dicots. Check it out. Enjoy your day.